All right, good morning. Ron.McGowen here with Guaranty RV on this nice sunny day in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little tour of the Torque 365 toy hauler. One of the things that you'll notice right up front is this nice full fiberglass front cap, automotive painted cap with a 5,500 watt generator. Plenty of power to run everything in this coach. Coming through, we have our 6-point leveling system, automatic leveling system, water heater bypass for the winter. You've got extra power out here, cable and satellite hookups to add that extra TV under the electric full awning with LED lighting. Solar ready, it's all set up for solar, portable solar panel. It's got the extra large water heater, almost 20 gallons an hour water heater capacity, full aluminum step. One of the nice things I want to draw your attention to first is this great kitchen. It's a nice U-shaped kitchen, tons of cabinetry, tons of drawers. You've got the 4-door refrigerator with the microwave, 3-burner cooktop and an oven, nice double sink, hard surface countertops, electric seating, beautiful seating for lots of folks. You got night shades all the way around the unit, large television for entertainment. All of your controls are in one convenient spot for your generator, sound system, monitor panel, all of your lights. Everything's in nice, easy, convenient location. You've got the nice overhead bunk area, the loft, with the ladder that goes up to the loft. What's really cool on this is the way they've done this extra bathroom in the back. You don't lose garage space with this, but you still get the extra toilet room, and you'll get an extra sink back here with, again, additional cabinetry, the double beds, patio that makes into a full deck with the surround, the step system. Unit's really set up nice for just going out and partying with your toys and having a great time with the family. Look at all the large windows in this unit. Follow me up into the bedroom area. As we head up into the bedroom area, one of the first things you'll see to the left is a nice double wardrobe closet. I'll let the camera do the work in the bathroom. But you'll see you have a nice tub shower, one-piece tub shower, which is really nice. It's not a multi-piece. Lots of room around that lavatory counter. You've got a porcelain toilet, again, extra space in there. King size bed, lots of overhead cabinet space, and again, more cabinet space, drawers, more drawers here with a nice vanity area so you can set things up here, your laptop, etc. Dual AC unit in this unit. Follow me outside. Again, I'll point out the large, very large electric awning with LED lighting, marine grade outdoor speakers, nice aluminum wheel setup. Again, 6-point leveling system. When you walk towards the back of this unit, you're going to see you've got another entrance into the toy area with an aluminum step. Makes it really convenient. Your spare tires tucked right up underneath. And again, this will make a beautiful outdoor patio area. And notice this particular one has an extra awning in the back. Coming around to the side, we've got fuel station. Your fuel station's right here. Your gauge is right there for your gas. Wastewater holding tank too, because this has 2 tanks. You've got a convenient valve right here in the back with a flush for that tank as well, located right by the tank valve. Coming around to the back towards the front, we've got a black tank flush. All of your controls and everything are all in one space. You've got your docking station right here for your fresh water, for your electrical hookup, cable and satellite hookup, outdoor shower. Again, you've got another gray tank right here. And you'll notice that all of the tanks all the plumbing's way up underneath on this unit, so nothing is hanging down while you're traveling down the road. Nice full front compartment, 2 propane bottles on both sides. This is just a fabulous party unit. If you have any questions on this unit or any other toy hauler, please contact me directly at Ron.McGowen, 541-968-6010, or Ron.McGowen at Guaranty.com. Thank you and have a fabulous day.